Hello everyone, this is Power Dog and this is the first video of 2023. So, Westinghouse fan that was here before. I don't know if I said it earlier, but that was borrowed, so I have that replaced with a Hunter Builder Plus ceiling fan. The box is up there. So let's start this on low. If I turn off the light, it's going to make everything too dark. It makes the video too dark, so I have to keep the light on, and these lights don't work, so. That's low speed. It's also very silent on low speed. I can't hear it. There's not really any air movement on low speed, though. And also that control, I finally took that off because I didn't need it anymore. Since I have this has pull chains. Okay, let's go to medium. Okay, this fan isn't very fast, but it has a steep blade pitch, so it still works. It reminds me almost of when I had a Hunter original up here that did the same thing. I'm just gonna turn this off because it's making noise. This fan has been here since February last year. And I probably won't change it until I get maybe another one like that. Also, the lights in here were finally repaired, so yeah. Okay, that's medium. Let's go to high speed now. Okay, this is where you can hear a little bit of humming, but it's not really loud. You can hear it a little bit, but I don't think you'll be able to hear it on the camera. Okay, sorry about that. There was an interruption, so this is high speed. And now let's put it to off. Okay, while this is slowing down, something interesting about this fan is that the light shades and the fan motor are the same ones that are in much older models. If, if you were a part of this channel for 6 or more years, you might remember the airflow ceiling fans I had. They had the same motor as this, the actual motor inside, not the motor housing, and the same frosted light shades. One of them had the same, exact same marble frosted light shades. And that makes sense because Hunter bought Casablanca and Airflow is a division of Casablanca, so that's very interesting that they haven't changed some of those elements. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.